We're going to look at how to download and install the Zotero software on your PC. I prefer Brave browser. Quickly type Zotero app download. You have a long list. You click on this one, download Zotero connector. So this is what you have. So of course you start by installing the connector. After you install the connector, what you do is you add. Click here, so it'll bring the add to Brave. Then you click here on your extensions and make sure you pin your connector. So the next thing that you do to make sure that your connector actually helps, it only connects if you have the software. So you click on download 64-bit. So you download. I have the internet download manager, so once you download your software, it will be pretty easy since you'll just need to install it, and there you have it. You have the Zotero software on your PC and you have the connector on your browser.